For this video, I'm going to be doing a full set of keratin bonded extensions, and I'm going to show you how I do them. So I take each individual strand. The hair I'm using came pre-bonded, so it has keratin on the tips. I use a shield to separate each strand that I'm working with so that the keratin doesn't get stuck to all the hairs around it. Just makes it much cleaner and easier to work with. I do use a hot tool which will melt the keratin, and then I roll it and bond it to the hair. I use each section of hair that I take. I use about the same amount that is on the hair that I'm attaching to the hair, so it's about the same amount of weight. So when they grow out, it's not too heavy on her own actual hair. These should last about 2 to 3 months, sometimes longer with proper care. But at that point, they'll probably start to slip off, and it's not healthy for the client's actual hair to leave them in too long. On this client, I'll do about 4 rows, 4 sections. Since her hair is pretty short and the extensions she's getting done are really long, they're about 24, 26 inches. If you see a little bit of damage in her hair, that's from before. She did have some other extensions in, which I did not do. She also has very light hair. Her hair is already naturally blonde, so she lightens it pretty easily. And it's a really pretty blonde platinum color. If you have any questions, you can ask down below, and please subscribe for more videos and like if you like my video, and let me know if you would like to see and what you would like to see other videos. And thanks for watching. It's inside.